Okay, in our exercise 11.3, just 1 minute. Exercise 11.3 now. So in exercise 11.3, the first question is evaluate. So evaluate is a tan 36 degrees. What is the first one again in that first bit? First one, tan 36 degrees. Tan 36 degrees divided by cot 54. Cot 54 degrees. So now you see this one, it is not any sin 30, cos 30 or 45 or something. Okay. Then first of all you can change. We have one formula is there. Every time you can use that. There is a cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is a tan theta. What is that? Cot 90 minus theta is a tan theta. Okay. So now you can write this. So tan 36 as it is, you write 36 degrees divided by, here the cot, once you see cot 90 minus, how we can write this is 54. We got that is a 90 minus 36 is equals to 54. Is it right? So I am using this one, 90 instead of 54, 90 minus 36. Then what is that? Tan 36 as it is in above divided by cot 90 minus 36 means what I said? Tan theta, tan 36 now. So both are cancelled, then it will be called as a 1. What is the answer? 1. Go for the next question. Second one in that. Second one, cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Cos 12 minus sin 78. Okay. So in this cos 12 minus sin 78 means I want to write one formula again. Here the sin 90 minus theta. So it is a cos theta. Okay. So cos theta. This is a formula. Then I use this one again. So cos 12 minus sin, yes, 90 minus 12. Is it right? 78 means here I write it. 90 minus 12 only 78. So that's why here I am writing 90 minus 12 instead of 78. Okay. So cos 12 minus sin 90 minus 12 means cos 12. Then what is that? Cos 12 minus cos 12. Then what is the answer? 0 is the answer. Second one. Then you go for the third one. So third one now. The third one, cosec 31 degrees. Cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. Okay. So in that again we have one formula. Sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta. What is that? Cosec theta. Cosec theta. Okay. So then here I am going to write. So cosec 31 degrees as it is minus sec. So 90 minus 31 is a 59. Is it right or not? Just roughly I am going to write 90 minus 31 is called as a 59. Right? So here this is a 90 minus theta. This is a cosec 31 degrees minus sec 90 minus theta means cosec theta. So then it is also, what is that, 0, right? Now we go for the fourth question. So fourth question now. In that fourth question, sine 15 sec 75 degrees. Okay. So now here I want to write sec. Already we written the sec value. Sec, again I am write sec 90 minus theta. What is that? Cosec theta. So in that, sine 15 into, yes, sec 90 minus how much? 90 minus, so 15. Is it right? Then only we got that there is a 75. Okay now. So sine 15 into, so cosec 15. So this is a degrees. So sine 15 degrees into cosec 15 means 1 by sine 15 degrees. So sine will get cancelled. What is the answer? 1 is the answer for that. Okay. So then go for the next one, fifth question. Fifth question, tan 26 degrees. Okay, tan 64 degrees. Okay, so here I am going to write that is a tan value again. Formula, tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Okay, now here I will write it. Tan 26 degrees into tan 90 minus 26. Okay, then only we got the 64. Then tan 26 degrees into, what is that? Cot 26 degrees. So cot means what is that? 1 by tan. Then 1 by tan 26 degrees. It will get cancelled and it is also answer is 1. Okay. So this is the first bit and 5 questions. Now we go for the next one. So second bit now, second question. In that second one, first one will be the evaluation is there now. Show that is there tan 48 degrees. 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees. Okay, just 1 minute, here I will write it. 4 degrees, 74 degrees, right? Here 74 degrees. Now I want to evaluate that. First of all, now tan 48 as it is. Tan 48 means how much? So how it will be tan 48 and tan 16 into tan, again I write this is a tan 48 is as it is and tan 16 is also as it is, but the tan 42 is there na? Here is that is a tan 90 minus 48, then only 42. Is it right? Now this is a tan, this one tan 90 minus 16, then only we got this one. So this is a tan 48, tan 16. So what is that? Cot, we already know this one, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta, and cot 16. Then you see here, so tan 48 into, so tan 16 degrees into, so cot means 1 by tan 48 into 1 by tan 16, just 1 minute, 16. So tan 16 gets cancelled, tan 48 will get cancelled. What is the answer in that? 1. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Now we go for the second in this bit. In the second question, second bit, second one, cos 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 sin 54. So we'll show that is equals to 0, right? Okay, here shall I write that is a cos 36 means 90 minus 54, cos 90 minus 54 I am writing for this, and cos 90 minus 36, 54 means 90 minus 36 minus sin 36 as it is, sin 54 as it is, you write. So sin means what? Cos 90 minus theta means sin theta, is it right? So sin 54 degrees cos 36 degrees minus sin 30 degrees sin, sorry, here this is sin, this is the sin. So sin 30, sin 54. Then you know that, so sin all are equal, right? Then it becomes as a 0. So then LHS is equals to RHS. So got it now? Now we'll go for the next question. We'll move the next question, third question. So what is the third question in that? If tan 2a is equals to tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18. Okay, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So acute angle formula we can write it. Okay, first of all we just will go for the tan 2a. Tan 2a means cot 90 minus 2a is equals to cot a minus 18. So both sides I am going to cut the cot value. 90 minus 2a is equals to a minus 18. Okay now, if we simplify that, we'll go for this one. So this is minus a minus 2a is equals to minus 8 and minus 90. Is it right? It will come to this side. Okay, and this is coming to this side. So then minus 3a is equals to, how much it will be? The 108, right? Minus 108. Minus minus will get cancelled. A is equals to 108 by 3. Means this is a 36 degrees. A value we got that 36. So if they ask that A value, how much is the 36? We got it. So third question, and go for the fourth question now. In that fourth question, if tan A is equals to cot B, tan A is equals to cot B, whereas A and B are acute angles, prove that there is A plus B is equals to, we can prove A plus B is equals to 90. Is it right? Then now given words we can write it. Tan A is equals to cot B na? Cot 90 minus A. Shall I write? Is equals to cot B. Now both sides I am going to remove that cot values. 90 minus A is equals to B. Then the A will go outside of A equal. 90 is equals to A plus B. Okay. So therefore that A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. This is the fourth question now. And the fifth question, when we go for the fifth question. Fifth question, if A comma B are and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B. So we need to just do that. 1 minute. So tan A plus B by 2 is equals to cot C by 2. Okay now, so we need to show this one. So that's why first of all we need to write this given words A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is equals to, what is that? 180 degrees. This is we know this. So sum of the interior angles is equals to 180 degrees. You can both sides you can divide with 2 both sides. So then A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equals to 180 by 2. Then A plus B by 2 is equals to, here what is that now? So here there is a 180 by 2 means 2 ones are 2 90s are. Is it right? So 90 minus C by 2. Yes. If you apply, there is a tan value. So tan A plus B by 2 you can apply. This is a tan 90 minus theta. Is it right? 90 minus theta now? So this is a, okay. So in this tan A by 2, A plus B by 2 is equals to what is, this is a cot C by 2. Got it now, given words. So we got this answer. Okay now. And now we go for the sixth question. While we go for the sixth question is express sine 75 plus cos 65. Sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 to 45. What is that? 0 to 45 degrees. Then sine 75. Okay, and now we will change that. That is a sine 75 means 90 minus 15 plus cos 90 minus 25. Is it right? So then cos 15 plus sine 25. So big angles I am showing in a small one. So 0 to 45 degrees only na we shown. So this is a formula based answer. Okay na. So this is a sixth question. Now exercise 11.3 completed.